how
Jamie doesn't like tendies.
It sounds so wrong. Like, it just does not sound okay. That is not an okay word in the universe. Where's the screwdriver?
I got it.
Oh, okay, sorry. I didn't realize you had it already. I dislike that word.
So Smelly is saying he might come by.
Good. You should. So it's not just Jamie.
How late are we staying? We're not
Oh,
walking.
We're
not
going to the beach, right?
Let's go to the beach.
Yeah.
Nicki Minaj.
Yep, that's how you pronounce it. Flawless.
Line up the scripts real quick.
I'm doing great over here. Pat travels through time. Have you played a puzzle game?
A long time ago. The Spy Fox also.
My favorite.
Oh my god, I'm good at this.
I'm good at Sandbox.
I bought those games.
Really? Can I have them?
Not for me.
Sure. You don't
For
have
your
to be
child.
ashamed of what you play, dude.
What? I love those games.
Don't game shame me.
I'm not. I'm just saying you should be proud.
I'm
Yeah.
proud of that.
Actually, there was one time me and my friends were trying to speedrun Jumpstart first grade.
Oh my god, that sounds so amazing!
Like, to see how fast you get all the bottle caps. It was like the dumbest thing we've ever... No, it's not the dumbest thing, but...
Yeah,
it
like
was
that's
very...
not even close.
It was a mild dumb thing that was very funny. Because we had a friend that was awful at telling time and he was awful at fractions. I was like, how did you graduate high school? So, I don't know, dog, I just did it. It's like, okay. I just did high school, dog.
I would have loved to see that. I want a speedrun Jumpstart. Can we make that a thing?
We can. I still have the
I
disc.
can do this, man. I would get distracted by everything. Everyone would be like, okay, be really competitive, it was 5 plus 5. And I'll be like, dude, look at that flower. What happens
It's
if I
so
click on it?
cute.
What happens if I go this way? Is there like a secret thing? Like, oh my god, I'm just gonna like start talking to every character. I'm totally gonna lose.
So I watched someone did a like a recap of Final Fantasy VII on why he really liked Final Fantasy VII. And since I've never played all of Final Fantasy VII, it was like a lot of spoiler stuff for me, which is fine. So
What do you think?
actually, yeah, I might actually get the remake.
Dude, the remake looks so sick.
Yeah, I might have to do that.
When they
Can't I do this?
when they showed the promotional screenshots with or the gameplay with Tifa, I felt like I was in like elementary school all over again. I was like, wow, video games.
Cosplay was Kiko when I was 13. Fun fact.
Of course
When
you
Advent
did.
Children was a thing. Because her Advent Children outfit is great, and I only love
Oh, it's pretty. Yeah, her outfit is good.
Yeah, and there aren't that many
So I
people.
got my pieces anchored. So.
I look like.
Apparently, the demo's supposed to come out for the 7 remake. I think next
Yeah.
week.
Why can't I do this? What am I doing so wrong?
Is it? No, you haven't right. It's the only way.
What is so wrong? I don't understand.
Just get one in a little bit and start getting the others in a little bit and tighten them all down.
Really?
Yep.
That's the thing?
Mm-hmm.
That's the trick? Is he lying?
I don't know. Am I lying? 20.
I wasn't listening. Sorry.
Yeah,
Oh.
he looks confused.
Just start. Just get one going a little bit. Make sure it's like kind of anchored a little.
Yeah. So what I like to do is like do the opposite corners and
Yeah.
then start working my way around.
bit. Just like a hubcap.
Yeah.
What?
That's how you when you change tires.
Oh, yeah.
You're supposed to go from one
Oh, yeah.
lug nut to the opposite side.
Yep.
Like a star.
Yep. Exactly.
I was so grateful that I never had problems with the 15 passenger, like, in that sense. Because I would have been like, oh, giant van. Hi. I'm Jamie.
I'm gonna have to move my car here in about 7 minutes.
Oh.
Because I'm in one of those 2-hour.
It's Saturday though.
They said, well, it is Saturday, but the sign says like Sunday and holidays.
Ah, gotcha. Yeah, I
Yeah.
parked on some other street.
Yeah.
Because it was like Saturday, Sunday, and holidays.
And then when I was coming here, I like almost caused an accident because I was turning onto a side road which has cars parked on either side, but 2 cars were coming that direction, so I had to wait, and I was impatient.
Keith!
And then so I turned off, so I decided to go straight, but someone behind me assumed I was going to be turning right, but I didn't. So and I saw her veer off into the.
Oh my god.
That was
That's
bad.
terrifying.
For them, yeah. For me, it's like, sorry, my bad.
That'd be funny if it was Tawny. Because Tawny's getting hurt on this.
No more car accidents for me, please. Yeah, so I have to wait until next Saturday to take my car in the shop.
Next Saturday? Wow.
Yeah. I was supposed to take it in yesterday, but I couldn't get the day off.
I can't
Oh.
do this.
Here,
I can't
I
do
can.
it. Why can't I do it? What am I doing
I
wrong?
was like telling my boss, I was like, dude, I need to take my car in the shop. He's like, dude, we're understaffed right now. I was like, oh my god, this
I
isn't
think
your
you're
problem,
right
not
sometimes.
mine.
Yeah, for holidays.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Your job is sometimes dumb. No offense.
Oh.
Well, IT support is,
It's
tough.
the worst.
It's tough.
And like half of the time too, I've been working remotely because I've just been in and out of the doctors, making sure I'm okay. But yeah, it sucked. Christmas morning, like I was just on my way to see my parents, and then next thing you know, I see this kid. He's just tailing me, and then I was like, dude, if I slow down, he's just gonna crash into me. I can tell.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we got to the intersection, I was gonna take a right. Lo and behold, he just slams right into me.
Oh, that sucks.
And I get out of the car and I'm like, kid, are you alright? And he's like, yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm fine. And then once we confirmed that we're both okay, I started lecturing him.
Nice.
It's like, when'd you get this car? A month ago. Sir, I'm so sorry. It's like, when'd you get your license? Wait, you need my driver's license? Like, no, I don't. Yeah,
Yes,
give it
you
to
do.
me. So I looked, I was like, dude, he's only had his license for like 3 months. It's like, kid, what were you doing? And he's like, I just looked down on my phone for like 1 second. I'm like,
That's
It's funny because you weren't even assuming that. You just assumed that he was just doing it.
If you can get proof of that he's looking at his phone.
oh yeah, I did.
Okay.
So he told the cop everything.
Oh, okay.
And the cop was, I was like, the cop was like, hey, look, you guys are safe. Just exchange insurance, and we'll get a hold of you.
Yeah.
And then the kid was like, I was on my phone!
Yeah, he like admitted everything.
Yeah.
So that was fun. Like I called my mom. I'm like, hey, so remember how I said I was gonna come over and cook you guys lunch? And he's like, yeah. Are you still going to? I was like, no. And like, oh, okay. Well, we'll see you later. And I hang up and I just text the picture of my car to my mom. She goes, and she calls me back like, oh my god, why didn't you just say that? And it's like, I don't know, I thought you guys would get mad at me. I'm like, well, we're not mad at you because it's not your fault.
Yeah.
Dude, if I were your mom, I would have gotten mad at you for not telling me that you could like got into a car accident.
Yeah, I was a little surprised actually that my mom didn't yell at me. But then my dad, when he called me, he's like, man, on Christmas? And I'm like, look, I didn't ask for this. Dad's like, I know. I was waiting for you to come home and make me steak. And I was like, oh, well.
Well, it's for another time.
Yeah, I mean, I eventually did because since I couldn't, my insurance was like, we can't get you a rental right now because your car's not in the shop yet. So I was like, oh, I don't know what to do. I can't really drive it because the quarter panel on my car, like got smashed like all the way in, so it's rubbing against my tire.
No.
So if I try to go faster than like 30 miles per hour, the car's gonna rattle.
Yeah.
So my mom's like, no, my baby, you can borrow one of our cars. Because they have like 1 billion cars. So I was like, okay, can I take the Mustang? And I just hear my dad go, no. It was great too, because like the insurance company that I was on the phone with, they're like, oh, hey, it looks like your dad's got a Mustang. You gonna see if you can borrow that? I was like, I already asked. He said no. And the guy, my adjuster, is just like cracking up on the phone. I'm with USAA, so they're just like, they try to be like personable and like, we care about you. Like they called me like the following day after the car accident. They left a voicemail. They're like, I thought they wanted to like just talk, insurance stuff. But they're like, no, we just wanted to know if you're okay. And I was like, you guys, I like started tearing up. I was like, I'm okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna go move my car.
Okay.
You're doing great.
Yeah, you are.
Here, I can take the thing. take it.
Steal your keys.
Yeah, they're on the oven. Tony, what did I do wrong?
Nothing. This is just fussy.
Alright, you guys finish.
Oh, you want to be careful. You don't want to strip the screw.
Did I break it?
No, you're good.
I think I broke it.
No. This is one of those moments that would be like, it'd be nice if we had a power drill.
Yeah, Steve offered to get a power drill, and then I said I didn't need it because I would only use it for this, and then there's like no point in having a power drill.
I mean, had I known, I would have brought one. It's all good.
Wait, how did you do that?
What?
That.
Just carefully.
Wait, what?
Okay.
What?
Whew.
Blasphemy.
Took a bit of effort. Just gonna